Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to save maps offline on your Android phone. Using maps on your mobile phone is easy and very important when you're trying to go to your preferred location for the first time. And here are the simple steps to save maps offline on an Android phone. First, unlock your mobile phone, then open the Google Maps app. Make sure you sign in to your Google account, connect to Wi Fi or mobile data. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Offline Maps, then select your own map. Drag the map to cover the area you want to save. Pinch to zoom out or in and adjust the map size. Check the download size at the bottom of the screen and tap Download. Wait until the map finishes downloading. Turn off internet to confirm the map works offline. Now, open the Google Maps anytime to navigate without data and the saved area. Tips: update offline maps regularly to keep routes accurate. Offline maps support driving, walking, and biking navigation, and also live traffic and alternative routes required internet. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.